When it comes to relationships, it's important to be aware of certain red flags that may indicate potential issues or incompatibilities. However, it's crucial to approach each situation with empathy, understanding, and open communication. Keep in mind that these red flags are not definitive indicators, and context and individual circumstances should be taken into account. Here are some common red flags to look out for. 1. Controlling behavior. If a girl tries to control your actions, decisions, or social interactions excessively, it can be a sign of possessiveness or an unhealthy power dynamic. 2. Constant criticism. Regularly receiving negative comments or being put down can erode self-esteem and create an unhealthy dynamic in the relationship. 3. Lack of trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship. If a girl consistently exhibits suspicious or jealous behavior without valid reasons, it may indicate deeper issues that need to be addressed. 4. Excessive need for attention, validation. While it's normal to seek validation and attention in a relationship, an excessive need for constant reassurance can be draining and may indicate insecurity or dependency. 5. Frequent mood swings. Extreme and unpredictable mood swings can be indicative of underlying emotional issues, and it's important to approach them with empathy and understanding. However, it's also crucial to prioritize your own emotional well-being. 6. Disrespectful behavior. Consistent disrespect, such as belittling, insulting, or disregarding your feelings, can create a toxic and unhealthy relationship dynamic. 7. Lack of communication or emotional unavailability. Healthy relationships require open and honest communication. If a girl consistently avoids important conversations or seems emotionally distant, it may be challenging to build a strong connection. 8. Dishonesty. Trust is essential, and dishonesty can erode it quickly. If you notice frequent lies or catch a girl in significant inconsistencies, it's important to address the issue and evaluate the trustworthiness of the relationship. 9. Non-reciprocal effort. A healthy relationship should involve mutual effort and investment. If you consistently find yourself doing most of the work or making sacrifices without the same level of reciprocation, it may indicate an imbalance or lack of commitment. 10. Disregard for boundaries. Boundaries are essential in relationships. If a girl consistently ignores or violates your boundaries, it's important to have a conversation about respect and personal space. Remember, communication and understanding are key in navigating any potential red flags. It's important to address concerns openly and honestly with your partner and work together to build a healthy and supportive relationship.